How to buy Jail Hayden Mark Davis token. So this token came under the symbol of Jail Hayden. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money or on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now this token, as you can see, it created 1 day ago. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. To be able to buy this token, this is simple. Copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under this online network. Open your function wallet for that. Click on swap here. And make sure that you have, of course, enough Solana in your wallet, and click here and paste the token address. So this is our token, click on it, and here type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see how much you receive. And after that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all this information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, go back to this page, just switch the slippage from here or custom it, because most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that, you're going to be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Jail Hayden token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.